Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a template file for displaying a modal by clicking the button. Actually, there are a lot of tutorial from a Bricks forum or the Facebook group which you can read about it, but uh, I'm just gonna share with you the design which inspired by some HTML template. So what you need to do is you click the template file on the description below, and just click here the template for modal login and click the row and just copy all this JSON code and we need to create our new JSON file. Let's say modal.json. Then just edit the file and just copy and just paste it, then save. Right, so we can close it. After you have a JSON file, what you need to do is let's say I'm gonna put the model on my header. Let's create the header. Let's add some section with container, and we're gonna add a button. Let's make padding by and let's make it center. Then we're gonna import the template by clicking the template folder icon and click the import template on the top right. Drag, drop, and select. Let's drag our JSON file and right, and we have our model template, and just click insert the template. Yeah, you should insert the template outside this section, so I'm gonna just do something like this. So this model, by default the display is none. We can set it to the flex, and we can customize the content of modal whatever we like. Let's add some image. Do I have image? Yes, I do. You can change this, you can change this, and this is not the actual social login icon. It's only a standard icon. I have not create a function or use any plugin to do the login, the social login functionality. You can change the background color too. Okay, let's see, like this. Oh, let's see the front end, right? Okay, let's set it to the none because the default state for the model is hidden. Then the second step is not the second step, but the next step is to add some JavaScript code, which you can copy from the GitHub again. From, let's see, where is the file? Click to show modal here, and just copy this code and pass it to your custom tab in the setting menu. See here, we have the ID for the button, the button for the open the modal. We have the ID of the modal section, and we have the ID, the element ID of the close icon on the modal content. So let's see the ID of the button here. Yeah, there is someone that mentioned that I can copy the ID straight from this. But how? Click rename and then nope. Yeah, there is someone comment on my video that actually I can copy this ID straight from the element itself, but I don't know how to do that. And it's really hard. I need to read the comment again, and let's use a traditional way by using a console. So this is my section, my container, and this is my ID, button ID, and just paste it and replace this. And we need to find out our modal section ID. So this is alright, this is my header, so this is my modal section ID. Or you check the easy way is you can rename the ID with your preferred name, something like modal ID, so you don't need to find this element ID using console. Something like rename the ID, put whatever you like, just like that. And I need to find the close icon to find the ID. So I'm gonna display the container, and where I put my icon, my screen is not too big. Here I have this icon, and this is my ID for the close icon. So I'm gonna find it here. There is my SVG, and this is the ID. Just copy it and paste to this, and save it. Let's set the display to none, and save the page and see the result. is wrong. There is something wrong with my code. Let's see. I forget. The next step is add some CSS. The simple CSS. It's only 2 lines of CSS like this. So if this element has an open modal, this, see, then the display will become a flex, from none to flex. So it will show the modal. Let's save. Oh, it took so long. Let's reload the page again. Right, we have working. Okay, click the button, the modal show up, click the close icon, and the modal is closed. Yeah, you can change the setting, the customize the content of modal, whatever you like. You can add more element or remove some element, it's up to you. Wait, oh yeah, the background is blue, and let's change background to something like this. Alright, you can change the height of the model itself. Just use this the inbuilt setting of the section, the container or div, and the element itself. And I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. And if you have any question or suggestion, please write on the comment box below. And happy coding!